Alright, this is my 2004 Ford Explorer Eddie Bauer edition. So I got 3-inch lift with 33-inch BFG mud terrains. I recently got it straight piped. It's dual tip. There's 17-inch tips. He did a 4-inch pipe from the cats that goes, I don't know if you can see it that well, but it Y's right there from the cats, and then it's a 4-inch pipe that goes down, splits into two 2.5-inch pipes, and then out the back. So it is a 4.6 liter V8. So I thought I'll just give a little sound clip. It is cold. It'll be a cold start. It's been sitting all night. It's about 12 o'clock now in the afternoon. So let's see if we can get a nice cold start. I did do a resonator and muffler delete. So basically it just has two catalytic converters, and the rest is just straight pipe. And he did the 4-inch pipe just so it would have a louder sound. I really wanted it to be louder. Before I just had a muffler delete, but it still had a resonator. So it sounded super contained, but as it gets warm, as you can tell, it quiets down. So a nice deep growl.